The RSZ7 smoke switch control unit is an early warning device for detecting fires and smoke. In the event of a fire, the unit interrupts the voltage supply to the hold-open device, and the connected door system immediately closes. This helps to reliably prevent the spread of fire. Special applications are also solved by the variety of product's functions, e.g., easy retrofitting by installation with optional surface-mounted line feed. The telescopic function even compensates unfavourable lintel situations of a maximum of 30 mm. The RSZ7 offers numerous combination options for holding open fire protection doors, with overhead or integrated door closers, floor springs, or automatic swing door drives with integrated and external hold-open devices, e.g. hold-open magnets. The RSZ7 is compatible with the GEZE FA GC170 wireless extension, thereby offering a wide number of possible solutions with a great variety of hold-open devices. Fire protection helps to protect human life, property, and our environment, which is why GEZE designs and produces safety systems that are perfectly adapted to your buildings.